Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet bedsheet designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, as you can see. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet bedsheet patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns, most beautiful designs and ideas. Top 50 designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Stylish color combination contrasts, beautiful designing ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish colors, light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see also in this my video. Every design is beautiful and trendy with matching pillow covers, cushion covers you can see also. Stylish ideas you can see. You can decorate your bedroom with beautiful and stylish crochet bed sheets with matching pillow covers, cushion covers, sofa covers, curtains, blankets, as you like. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet bed sheets, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection.